Hello everyone, welcome to Master Azerbaijani, your new week of Word of the Day series. This week we're going to be talking about family and close relationships. And you guessed it right again, today's word is a-yee-leh. A-yee-leh. A-yee-leh can mean family or household. Let's see some phrases. Start a family. Household budget. A-yee-leh qurmaq. A-yee-leh büdcəsi. See how, because there is two vowels next to each other, involuntarily you're going to be adding one consonant in the middle. So this consonant in this case is y sound you hear. A-yee-leh. You don't hear a-yee-leh. To soften the impact, you say a-yee-leh. Now, to start a family, a-yee-leh qurmaq. Household budget, a-yee-leh büdcəsi. Let's use those in some sentences. Onlar, gələn, a-yee-leh qurmaq istəyirlər. They want to start a family next year. Now, to start a family, it typically means someone wants to have a baby. In Azerbaijan, to start a family, it starts with getting married. So it literally means when you hear someone saying a-yee-leh qurmaq, means start a family, but in the sense, get married. All right? Onlar, they, gələn, next year, istəyirlər, want, they want. See, there is plural ler suffix there, means they want. So you gotta match the verb with the noun. Awesome. Next sentence is, bu ay, ailə büdcəmizi biraz artıra bilərik. Let's see, what does that mean? This month, we can increase our household budget a little. This month, bu ay. I is month and also moon, by the way. Ailə büdcəmizi, our household budget. Biraz, a little. Artıra bilərik, we can increase. That was today's word, a-yee-leh. Thanks for watching with me. But remember, you don't have to use this in 100% Azerbaijani sentence. I have dad jokes for that ready. Here's another one. My a-yee-leh has more group chats than my office, and none are muted, literally. Thanks for watching. Make sure to check masterazerbaijani.com for more. Until then, I'll see you tomorrow.